Today I'm going to show you how to enable save and fill payment methods in Microsoft Edge in just a few quick steps. This is really useful if you want Edge to remember your payment details and automatically fill them in when you're shopping online, so you can save time and make checkout easier. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Edge menu where you can access all of the browser settings. From here, click on Settings. This is where Edge keeps all of your privacy, password, autofill, and payment options. When the settings page opens, look for the section called Passwords and Autofill. Click on that option to open the autofill related settings. This area is designed to help Edge remember important information like passwords, addresses, and payment details, so you don't have to type them in every single time. Now that you're in Passwords and Autofill, click on Payment Methods. This will take you to the section specifically for credit cards and other safe payment options. If you've never looked here before, you may notice that this feature is turned off by default in some cases, which is completely normal. On the Payment Methods page, look for the toggle that says Save and Fill Payment Methods. All you need to do is turn that toggle on. Once it's enabled, Microsoft Edge will be able to save your payment information and fill it in automatically when needed. If prompted, you may also see options related to saving cards or using payment details across devices depending on your Edge version. After turning it on, you can close the settings page. From this point on, Edge should be ready to save and fill payment methods whenever you use supported checkout pages. This can make online shopping faster and more convenient, especially if you regularly buy things from trusted websites. Just remember to only save payment methods on devices you trust and that are protected with a strong password or biometric security. That way, you can enjoy the convenience while still keeping your information safe. And that's it. You've successfully enabled save and fill payment methods in Edge. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick guides, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.